So as the man make a talk, I tell the man say, yo, you coming like one thinner sardine to
No, sir.
Oh, Mark.
Yo, you're sampling, man. No, sir. Yo, you are dumb as fuck, yo. Like, you stupid body, no, brother. Achoo, man. Hey, you dunce body, no. You're a dumb piece of shit, you know, fucking idiot. Fucking dunce, bitch. Can always count on you to be retarded. You're borderline handicapped. Yo, you're dumb. Fucking dumbass. Mentally incapable piece of sour boy. That's why I rate you. Fucking idiot. Cunt. No, man. Every time I run you, I feel after rascal. Just one stupid idiot, dumb, bumbleclad, sour, dirty idiot, mentally challenged bitch. Suck your mother.
Lick me like a rum and raisin ice cream. Neighbor, how have you been? Have you been safe during COVID?
Yeah, man.
I actually never caught it because I used the Jamaican remedies. The whole quarantine I was drinking Ray and his nephew.
Bumbleclad, I him just say a while ago to putty.
Who's that?
Yo, Mark. Yo. Man say him have a threesome with 2 man to bumbleclad.
Now you wait a minute, vagina watch man. I said no such thing.
No, you hear me? I say no white fish. You have to go back next door and now you little dirty piece of raw chicken. Fish market.
Well, listen up, deportee. You and your friend Marcus over there can tickle your mothers.
But I tell you if you suck your mother, but your mouth already full with ray to blood clot. Grunt. Anglerfish. Rat fish. Who trouble that white boy? Who trouble spicy mayo? Hear me? I say no.
No, you listen to me, Sarani. I'm about to call ICE and have you shipped back to Devin's house. I'm sorry, neighbor, but they're getting me darker than a bleacher's knuckles. Oh yeah, Marcus. Up yours.
Oh, the blood clot.
Holy
All the other kids with the bomb that pieces better run faster than my body.
Over here, I bought the 2 seats next to me just so nobody was next to me, you know what I'm saying? So that's how we rolling. That's how we flying. Hey, holy shit.